Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. If you're new here, I'm Sangita, and today we're diving into something truly transformative, integral yoga. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or someone looking for a deeper connection between mind, body, and spirit, this practice has something for everyone. So, grab your mat, get comfortable, and let's explore integral yoga together. Section 1. What is integral yoga? Integral yoga is more than just physical postures. It's a holistic system that integrates the various aspects of yoga, physical, mental, and spiritual. This practice was introduced by Sri Swami Sachidananda in the 1960s, and it aims to bring harmony to your entire being by combining elements like Hatha yoga for the body, Raja yoga for the mind, and Bhakti yoga for the heart. Integral yoga encourages a balanced lifestyle that promotes peace and mindfulness. Integral yoga is truly unique because it brings all the different parts of yoga together into one practice, making it accessible for anyone looking to cultivate inner peace. Section 2. The 6 branches of integral yoga. So what exactly makes up integral yoga? It's built on 6 key branches that help you balance every aspect of your life. Let's break them down. Number 1. Hatha yoga. This is the physical practice most people are familiar with. It strengthens your body, enhances flexibility, and brings balance. Number 2. Raja yoga. Also known as the yoga of meditation. This branch focuses on controlling the mind to achieve peace and clarity. Number 3. Bhakti yoga. The yoga of devotion. It's all about connecting with the divine and developing unconditional love for all beings. Number 4. Karma yoga. The path of selfless action, where you focus on serving others without any expectation of reward. Number 5. Jnana yoga. The yoga of wisdom. It encourages deep self-inquiry and the pursuit of knowledge to realize the true self. Number 6. Japa yoga. This is the repetition of mantras used as a way to quiet the mind and center yourself in meditation. Section 3. Benefits of integral yoga. One of the most beautiful aspects of integral yoga is how it brings balance into every part of your life. Practicing integral yoga helps you develop physical strength, emotional resilience, mental clarity, and spiritual awareness. Some of the key benefits include improved flexibility, reduced stress, a deeper sense of inner peace, and enhanced focus. But perhaps the greatest benefit is the way it encourages you to live a life of compassion and mindfulness, whether you're on or off the mat. Section 4. How to practice integral yoga. Now, you might be wondering how to start practicing integral yoga. The good news is you don't need any fancy equipment or a ton of experience. All you need is an open heart and a willingness to grow. Start by incorporating gentle Hatha yoga poses into your daily routine, like forward bends, twists, and breathing exercises. Set aside time for meditation and practice mindfulness throughout the day. You can also explore devotional practices like chanting or volunteering in your community as an act of karma yoga. The key is to approach integral yoga as a lifelong journey. It's not about mastering poses or reaching a specific goal. It's about evolving and deepening your connection with yourself and the world around you. That's it for today's exploration of integral yoga. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're ready to start your own integral yoga journey, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.